Hey guys, welcome to YouTube for Broke People. Today we got a brand new iPhone 11 phone. It's about 64 GB in white. It does come in different colors. Um, so you could spend over a grand on the latest iPhone, but literally it's only about a year and a half old, and you get a similar phone, similar operating system. Yes, it might not be as good, but it probably is similar in terms of all the specs. So I know it's £600 less. I know it's about a year and a half old, but is it worth it? Well, for £600 compared to a grand, why not? Let's go through the specs of this particular phone and then we're going to unravel it. We're going to unbox it. So it's 4G capabilities, SIM free, 6.1 inches, touch screen. Obviously, for the Apple users, it's user friendly. The front and rear and the second camera is both 12 MP, so very high spec, 4K UK HD quality phone. As I said, this phone is 64 GB and it came with it came for about £600. If I show you the site on Argos, so if you look here, you can get different colors. Let me just focus a bit more. There we go. You got different colors that you can possibly pick. So let me just show you the colors. Let's pick the green. Does it come out? So anyway, it's a really nice colors that you can pick. Let me just show you there, purple, green. So of all the colors, I think the red looks quite nice here, but you guys can pick your choice. We're gonna unbox it now and let's see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna show you. So 1 second. Go on, and there's the phone. Let me just focus it. So in the box, it comes with, as usual, the wires here. Let me just see if I can open it up. There we go. So this is a charger. Let me see what's in here. So as you know, it doesn't come with the adapter or the headphones, but you do get the cable. So let's just look at the phone and let's unwrap it. Gently. There we go. Let's just flip it over. Just gently. Let me hold it 1 second. And there's a phone without getting it dirty. Brand new Apple phone. Amazing phone. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with YouTube for Broke People. Do check out other videos on how to save yourself bargains.